front of me is Nubia RedMagic 10A, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down. When you're ready, hit About Phone at the bottom and choose Device Name section over here. Now it's time to type in whatever you want to, and when you're finished, hit Save. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!